Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ZipPay affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with the ZipPay affiliate program, first, visit the official ZipPay website. Scroll down to the footer section of the homepage. Locate the affiliates link and click on it. You will be directed to the affiliate program page. Take a moment to read the overview and benefits of joining the program. Next, look for the Sign Up button and click on it to begin your registration. Fill out the required information on the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and payment details. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays in the approval process. After completing the form, review your details for accuracy. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email after your application is submitted. Check your email for this confirmation. Once you receive the email, wait for approval from the ZipPay team. This process may take a few days. Once approved, you will receive another email containing your affiliate login details. Log into your affiliate dashboard using the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Next, explore the marketing materials offered by ZipPay. These may include banners, links, and pre-written social media posts. Select the promotional materials that best fit your audience. Copy your unique affiliate link from the dashboard for tracking purposes. Now, it's time to promote ZipPay. Share your affiliate link through your website, blog, or social media platforms. Ensure that your content highlights the benefits of using ZipPay. Keep track of your clicks and conversions using the affiliate dashboard analytics. Regularly review your performance metrics to optimize your strategy. Engage with your audience by answering their questions about ZipPay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.